Designing a high-resolution clickable thumbnails for your videos can be frustrating, especially if you're not a graphic designer. But what if I tell you can still create high CTR thumbnails without actually designing it yourself? Yes, this thumbnail, this one, and this one were all created using free AI tools. And I'm going to teach you how to get one for your videos using ChatGPT and Leonardo AI. The first you need to do is to head over to YouTube and search for your video topic or title. Now scroll through the recommended videos until you find the thumbnail that you would like to use. Now, you can either take a screenshot of get it downloaded. To download it, click on the video, then click on share and copy the. After copying the link, head to your browser and search for YouTube thumbnail downloader. Click on the first website that pops up. You can now paste your thumbnail link in the box and download your thumbnail. Once your thumbnail is downloaded, go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a prompt for the thumbnail you have provided. Once your prompt is ready, head over to Leonardo AI to generate your thumbnail. Here, if you want a unique image on your thumbnail, make sure to add it. On Leonardo AI, toggle down to Get Started and sign up if you're new to the site. The process is very easy. Click on Image on the next page to get started. This website gives you 100 credits for free to use for a month, so use it well, else you will have to subscribe for premium to continue generating images. Now it's time to generate our image. Go back to ChatGPT and copy your prompt. Paste the prompt into Leonardo and make necessary adjustments and hit create. Wait for the image to generate and download the one you like. So you see how you can actually create high CTR thumbnails for your videos just using ChatGPT and Leonardo AI. Thank you for watching, and if you have learned something new from this video, please do me a favor and subscribe to the channel so that you can see me in another tutorial.